Hi guys, this is Andres from Graphic Bible. Today I will show you how to use gradients or how you can create them like different ways. So yeah, let's get started. Roll the intro. Okay guys, first things first, I create a shape with the shape tool, and if you don't know how to create those, I have a tutorial. I will link it up here, and just round the corners a little bit, and the stroke I increase it for maybe 15, something like that. I put black on it, and that's it. Okay, so you will find the mesh tool on your left panel right here, or press U on your keyboard, and what you want to do is just click points so you can create uh, gradients. So with the direct selection tool that is here, you're gonna grab this point and then select a color that you want. So the first one, let's use like a purple color, and for the second point, and let's use a darker color here, and for this one maybe a orange color. Let's use a red one here, and a blue over here. So as you can see, you have the freedom to choose the colors that you want. It's really up to you, and you can create cool effects with this tool. So you can create nice effects, and also if you click, you can just move the point around so to create interesting shapes, something like that. I don't know, it's really up to you. And you can also move the handles like this, so it will create nice shapes like that. Okay guys, for the second one we're gonna use the linear gradient tool. So if you press G on your keyboard, or you can find it here on your left, and then you're just gonna grab the color down here to this bar, and maybe add, it depends of what you want, but add more colors to it. Something like this. You can add as many as you want. Just press here, click, and then change the color if you want. And yeah, that's how you use linear gradient. You can play around with it so to create interesting shapes. Okay guys, so the next one is the radial gradient, and it's pretty fun too. So let's select two other colors, so maybe a green and a blue. We can delete these ones, so just click and drag down, it will delete them, and select the radial gradient. So what this does is to create a gradient, but like in a ellipse form, so you can play around and see how you want it, or even create interesting shapes. I don't know, maybe from here you can create something like this, guys. And for the last one, the freeform gradient, is pretty fun as well. So you will find it up here on the gradient panel. Just click this last icon, and it will give you 3 points at the beginning, but you can add as many as you want as well. And let's create font gradients. So you can choose the colors you want, and even if you want to make it bigger, and like you can play with it, it creates such a nice effect. And also you can create lines, So I'm gonna show you. So let's make a nice line, and it will follow a path. So let's change the color of this one. I don't know, maybe a red, green. So as you can see, you can follow the path here, and you can also move it around so to create some nice effects. So it's really up to you how you want the effect to work. And if you drag it outside of the shape, it will delete it. So, like, so be careful with that. And yeah, it's really nice. And that's it, guys. This was a basic into ingredients. I will make another one more deep. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you guys in the next time. Bye bye.